what else we got? Back indoors, indoors, indoors. It's the door we just tried. What else we got down here? Is that it? Can I open this? Look out, just look down. God, I wish there was a fucking sprint button. Can't open this? Oh, I can't. What? I can open that? Ah, yes, French cooking.
Mr. Kramer?
Shh! This is the best part.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
It's just me. A whole lot of choices.
I'd like to know exactly what
just hit him.
happened to little Joseph Brown.
Beat it. You hear
Little
me?
Joe Brown.
Get the hell out of here.
What do you want?
Oh god, it's fucking.
A witness saw little Joseph Brown get in the back of your limousine. That was the last time anybody ever saw it. Now, I know you've been arrested and interrogated until your father made a little phone call and the file was closed. I'd like to hear your version of the facts.
I'm a horse.
The kid was lost. I just offered to drive him home.
Wow, fucking shark eyes
The
over
police arrived, I explained the misunderstanding, and I was released. End of story. Nothing to get excited about, right?
Skeptically.
I don't know why, but your story just doesn't check out. You're giving me the crap now. Tell me something I can't believe.
Very well. I'm the origami killer.
Or Gormy?
I get my victims
Whoa!
into my car.
Whoa!
I drown them in rainwater. Then I dump them on a wasteland with an origami figure in one hand and an orchid on their chest. I do that because I'm bored, Mr. Shelby. And it's a creative and entertaining way of having fun. Is that good enough for you? Or do you want more? This interview is over.
Get rid of this clown.
Nope. Oh, okay. We go again. No, okay. Fuck you, buddy. Fuck you, buddy. You, buddy. Right in the groin. That's the D button that I pressed. Oh, that's the A button that I pressed. Fucking switching it up. Here you go.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a gun. Oh, he's dead. Fucking. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Give me the gun. Oh. Fuck your priceless painting, bitch. Where's the other guy? Smack. Yeah, the other guy's just actually dead.
It's a
Kramer
dangerous
from
game you're
Seinfeld.
playing, Kramer.
Do you know who my father is?
He's the
He
Kramer.
only has to lift one finger and you won't wake up
Can say
tomorrow
the
morning.
N-word and get away with
You're the one
because
that
he's
should be
twitching.
afraid, Mr. Shelby.
it. It's just
Not me.
twitching. Okay, bye. Actually, though, just okay, bye. Wow. What a guy. What a character. It's me, Ethan. Uh-huh. but you can tell it's a power plant because of all the electrical sparks. By the way, this is, I can't get over this two inches thing. This is not 2 inches. If it rains like this for an hour, that's like 2 inches. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Is this cut all cleaned up? Because that's actually kind of disappointing. His cuts, yeah, he's perfectly healed. It's not even like a scar or something. Hey, look, an origami thing. Cool.
Now where am I supposed to go? There must be a clue or something.
Oh, I guess we're just on this one. Trap.
It might be a trap. I'd better be careful.
Look, another one.
The origami figure was in the form of a butterfly. So, am I looking for a butterfly?
I don't know, Ethan. Are you looking for a butterfly? The world may never know. Does this look like 2 inches to anybody else? Because fuck off. Where's the lore? Oh my god, dumbass. What a klutz.
There's got to be a way into the building.
About the front. Wow. That's not what they look like, is it? Power plants? Maybe in France. But here in America. Yeah, fucking figured. Go
You
around.
might be able to find an entrance if I go around the building.
These are the 5G towers right here.
This is the old Pico
Are you
power
willing
station.
to
I thought it
lick
was
a
abandoned.
5G tower to save your son's life?
The main entrance is blocked up. There must be another entrance somewhere.
Just stick lick the end of this 5D battery. You guys ever do that? You just zap yourself because you're a fucking weird kid? I certainly did.
Barbed wire.
Barbed
There must be a
wire.
way through.
Maybe I can climb through it or something. I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna ditch the mouse pad. Did I actually fuck that up? Probably not.
Electrical condensers. Going by the sound of them, they're still active.
Yeah, dude, going by the fucking look of the zappers. A fucking 180, apparently. God, I missed the sprint from fucking, what is it? Fahrenheit. Even though it was like in like the world's worst animation ever. Here we go. Inside the power plant. You there, the audience. You're just watching? How could you do this? Bust it. Oh, hey, look, matches. Can I just skip them? I can. Maybe. Probably not. Alright, I accept your challenge. Buzz. Whoosh. I think they might be wet. We go. Where we stop? Nobody knows.